Hey everyone, in today's video I just want to show you quickly how you can use these simple steps to get custom ringtones on your iPhone. The main app that we're going to be using is GarageBand in this case, and apart from that, the only other thing that you would need to do is have the music file or audio file you're going to be using. So you can get these from various places. You can download them from Safari on any website. You can use an app that I have here called Zedge, which is quite good. You can find a bunch of ringtones on here, but anyway, you can download certain ringtones from or MP3 files. You just need to download them onto your iPhone. So you can see in Zedge here we have a bunch of different ringtones, but for this case I'm going to use the audio files from the Creator app, or sorry, YouTube Studio audio library, just so that obviously I don't get into trouble with any copyright issues. So I'm just going to quickly download this one here. Then you'll want to open GarageBand, and once we're in the app we just scroll across to audio recorder and click on that. And then once in here, first thing we'd want to do is make sure that we turn off metronome so we don't get the clicking sound coming through. Then we'd want to switch the view to the track list so we can see that. You want to click on this tiny plus button on the right, and then that will allow you to select the section length to automatic, just so that it allows us to pull the full song in. And then you want to click on loops, and you have a bunch of different options here, so you can choose from Apple loops if there's different sounds. You can download or add songs that are locally stored on your device, so any songs that are on Apple Music app itself you can't use, they were grayed out. So we just want to find that MP3 file. So if I get the one here that I downloaded from the audio library and YouTube Studio, we just hold and drag into the timeline, and then you can zoom out, and from here obviously you can just trim down. I'm pretty sure with the ringtones they can only be a maximum of 30 seconds. So I'm just going to quickly change the timeline here so that we can see how many seconds we are at. So if I just go to settings and then change that so that it shows you how many seconds, and just trim it to around 30. Then once you've got it set, you can change it about from here. Just play the song here quickly. You can add different VFX effects if you wanted to customize it in your own way, but for the sole purpose of this we'll just save the song. So you click on the down arrow, click on my songs, and then these will be all your recent songs there. You just wait for it to upload to iCloud, and then once that's done, it's just a matter of pressing and holding on the song, going to share, and then clicking here on ringtone in the middle. We're saying that it's longer than 30 seconds, but it'll trim it down to 30, that's fine. We press continue. Here you can rename the song, so we'll just put in ringtone, and then once you've done that you press export. It just takes a few seconds. And then once it's done that, you want to click use sound as, and then you have a bunch of different options. So you can put as text tone or ringtone. So we'll select a ringtone, and then it does that in the background and sets it to your ringtone. So if we go now to the settings app and sounds and haptics and ringtone, you can see here this is the one that I had added, and it's now set as a ringtone that you can choose. You can do this with anything really, any MP3 file or other formats you have that you can download, you can potentially use as your ringtone. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.